Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on MooMoo. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on MooMoo, the thing that we need to do right here is I selected right here at custom the active trader because I like the active trader a lot. So then after that we go right here to the symbols and we search for BTC, and then you will find right here Bitcoin. There we go. Then you see right here the Bitcoin chart. And then what we're going to do right here is we want to buy Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do right now is I go to the screen right here, this order panel, and we select right here buy. Then we fill in right here market because I want to directly buy Bitcoin. And then we fill in right here the quantity in or just how much Bitcoin or with how much US dollars. So I prefer US dollars, so I fill in right now 1k US dollars, and that is exactly 0.014 Bitcoin. Then the only thing that we need to do right here is we click here on buy, and then you can buy Bitcoin. Right now you see that I need to verify my account, but I don't do that because I made more than 3k videos about crypto brokers and exchanges, and I want to give all my information to all the brokers. But when you are a verified user on MooMoo, you can just click right here on trade and then buy your position of Bitcoin. This is how you can buy Bitcoin on MooMoo. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.